Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create an AI video, and the video itself will be in the style of Wan 2.2 over here, and it is for free. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So the platform that we will use is the Krea.ai over here, and as you can see, this is the homepage of the Krea AI, and this is the highlight that you can create the image or video model with the style of Wan 2.2 that also can be compared into the VEO3. And as you can see that Krea.ai here will usually give you the 100% of credit, but as you can see that this credit is turned red because it's already used to generate a video. How to do that? So the first step you can do is you can go to this menu of video and of course do the login first, and this is the field to put your prompt or your description about the video itself. And after that you can go to this section and you can change the model. As you can see, there are Wan 2.2 style over here. Then you can click it, and after that you can type the prompt that you would like to create and what description about the video that you would like to present into the video. And after that you can choose the frame over here, the style and the ratio, and also the look. It's like the landscape or the portrait. And after that you can start to generate it, and the generation process will usually take you into 5 minutes, but not more than 5 minutes. But I supposed to make sure and suggest you that your connection is in the good condition or in the high connection. And don't worry, because I have shown you the video that I have generated before, and as you can see the video was in the style of Wan 2.2 over here, and this is the prompt or the description about the video. A bear is doing a push-up at the gym, and as you can see here, the video it's quite really realistic and also detail about the every single detail of the gym set over here. And don't worry, because you can start to download it, or also you can click to turn off the caption, and also you can show it in the picture-in-picture or playback speed. So that's all guys, don't forget to try this Krea AI to create the video in this format of Wan 2.2. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't be hesitant to put it on a comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.